ABA is an abbreviation for Applied Behavior Analysis. It's the application of the science of behavior analysis to solve everyday problems.
A number of basic principles have been identified by B.F. Skinner through many years of research, and someone who applies those basic principles is called a behavior analyst.
Kids learn to talk because it gets them things, gets reinforced and such, and they learn to talk under various kinds of antecedents like motivation or motivative variables. When they want something, they learn to either use words or throw a tantrum. And a lot of times kids with disabilities will throw a tantrum, engage in negative behavior, and our job clinically is to turn that tantrum into an acceptable kind of communication. I've known Kelle for about 20 years and I've done some consulting for her program and some staff training here, teaching people how to use behavioral psychology, how to use applied behavior analysis, the analysis of language as practical tools for working with children.
I've known Kelle for, I would say, about 15 years, and I find her to be one of the most competent behavior analysts I've ever had the opportunity to work with.